Giving directions. Giving directions. Okuwa endagirilo. Okuwa endagirilo. Hello and welcome. And today we are going to look at giving directions. Okuwa endagirilo. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, share. Let's start. Katutandike. Important terms to note. Important terms to note are ebyokussaako omutima. Ebyokussaako omutima bye bino. Left, kono. Left, kono. Right, ddyo. Right, ddyo. Center, makati oba wakati. Center, makati oba wakati. It depends on the usage. Center, makati oba wakati. North, mambuka. North, mambuka. South, maserengeta. South, maserengeta. South, maserengeta. East, buvanjuba. East, buvanjuba. East, buvanjuba. West, bugwanjuba. West, bugwanjuba. West, bugwanjuba. Examples, ebyokulabirako. Examples, ebyokulabirako. Tom is at the center of the playground. Tom is at the center of the playground. Tom ali makati ga kisaawe. Tom ali makati ga kisaawe. Tom ali makati ga kisaawe. Or you can say in Luganda, Tom ali wakati mu kisaawe. Tom ali wakati mu kisaawe. Tom ali wakati mu kisaawe. Example 2. Go on your right and then turn left. Go on your right and then turn left. Genda ku ddyo omale okyuke ku kkono. Genda ku ddyo omale okyuke ku kkono. Genda ku ddyo omale okyuke ku kkono. Since right is ddyo, left kono. So go on your right and then turn left in Luganda is genda ku ddyo omale okyuke ku kkono. Going, remember, is genda. And for further reference on this, refer to previous videos. Let's proceed. The church is on the eastern side of the road. The church is on the eastern side of the road. Ekkanisa eri buvanjuba ga luguudo. Ekkanisa eri buvanjuba ga luguudo. Ekkanisa eri buvanjuba ga luguudo. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. And this is a common phrase in English. The sun sets in the west. Enjuba egwa bugwanjuba. Enjuba egwa bugwanjuba. Enjuba egwa bugwanjuba. And please note, sun is enjuba. That's why it is said enjuba egwa bugwanjuba. And for further reference on weather conditions, refer to previous video. Okay, let's proceed. The bus is taking the southern direction. The bus is taking the southern direction. The bus is taking the southern direction. Bus egenda mu maserengeta. Bus egenda mu maserengeta. Bus egenda mu maserengeta. Makindye is located east of the city. Makindye is located east of the city. Makindye esangibwa buvanjuba bw'ekibuga. Makindye esangibwa buvanjuba bw'ekibuga. Please note, city is ekibuga. City ekibuga. So Makindye is located east of the city. In Luganda, it's going to be Makindye esangibwa buvanjuba bw'ekibuga. Makindye esangibwa buvanjuba bw'ekibuga. Okay, let's proceed. I am heading north. I am heading north. And for further reference on pronouns like I, we, refer to video 17 and 16. Okay, I am heading north. I am heading north. Nze ngenda mu mambuka. Nze ngenda mu mambuka. Nze ngenda mu mambuka. A compass helps to show directions. A compass helps to show directions. A compass helps to show directions. And in Luganda is compass eyamba okulaga endagirilo. Compass eyamba okulaga endagirilo. Compass eyamba okulaga endagirilo. And let's first review what we've learned. Left, kono. Right, ddyo. Center, makati oba wakati. North, mambuka. South, maserengeta. East, buvanjuba. west, bugwanjuba. Okay, thanks very much for watching and hope you can at least give directions in both English and Luganda. And for further questions or references, refer to previous videos. Bye bye. Wherever.